Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to download and install Game Turbo on any Vivo phone. Now to do that, just open the Play Store app on your smartphone and in the search bar just search this. From here, just install this app on your smartphone. Now it will take a few seconds to install this app on your smartphone. And once the app is fully downloaded, just tap on Open. From here, just tap on Allow and tap on Get Started. Now from here, just scroll down and enable Real-Time Analytics. Now just tap on Allow Now. From here, just tap on Game Booster and enable this toggle. And once you've done that, just go back and tap on Allow Now. Now just tap on Game Booster and enable this toggle. Now just go back. Now from here, just tap on Add Game. Now from here, just enable the toggle for the game which you want to add. Just like that. And once you have done that, just tap on Done. Now from here, just open the game within the Game Booster and tap on Play. Now, as you can see, these are the real-time analytics of this game. Now from here, as you can see, you can check the ping, your FPS, and your battery temperature. Just like that. Now to close this window, just tap on Finish and tap on OK. And this is how you can download and install Game Turbo on any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.